It's a replica of some painting they're going to have.
I'll go with you. Like you said, we up here in the middle.
Really, a reenactment is just whatever we could do with what we had. They are just beautiful, and then all the other characters who are portraying the nuns and the nurses, the agent and the conductor. He's doing a good job, huh? He blows that whistle well. For those who do not know me, I'm Flo Hearn. For those who know me,
I'm the workhorse.
I'm the lady who bugs you all the time on the telephone, and I do a lot of that. I would like to call Harold Dupre to introduce our special guest.
But for those of you who don't know him, the person that I'm going to introduce to you has been vitally interested in the Orphan Train Museum. He stated, as a matter of fact, when he took office as mayor of the city of Opelousas, that his #1 project was going to be that the Orphan Train Museum would come to fruition. And he has lived to his word. He realizes the Orphan Train Museum is probably the best one in the United States. The second one, but definitely the best one. The mayor has worked very hard to see to it that the Orphan Train Museum is on track. And he's going to give us an up-to-date standing of where we are on the Orphan Train Museum. It's my pleasure at this time to introduce to you Mayor Donald Cravens Sr.
Thank you, Mr. Dupre, and thanks to each and every one of you who's participating in this great celebration today. I had the good fortune of going to the Mass this morning, and it was a beautiful Mass, had a great program. I want to also take this opportunity to welcome all of you to the great city of Opelousas, a village in the brand new Orphan Train Museum that will be complete.
Our vice president is Margaret Briley. Margaret is standing up right here. Taking a picture. And our secretary treasurer historian is Flo Hearn. And watching back there is one of our board members, Lucian LaPerry, behind the table over here. And over here to my right is Kathleen Swallow. And Mr. Paul Kimball. Mr. Paul, where are you? He's there somewhere.
And I want to introduce our special guest, Miss Alice Bernard. One, am I right? Yeah. She came on the train in 1921.
First child is Tucker Ballara, who is portraying Joseph Wolfe.
Sister
Helen.
Sister Helen, would you please come up? Charles and Donna Hearn, Harold and Roland Dupre, Nelma Olivier and Nelman Galena, Ashley Michaud, Ashley is going to represent somebody in the Fabaka family. The child that is being represented in this family was Sister Sarah Hunt, and there's nobody here to represent her, so Ashley's going to take that place. Glenn and Cynthia Markintel, Bert Eastin, Loretta Kaiser, Johnny Kaiser, Frank Lucian and Charles LaParry, Margaret and Ashton Briley, John and Ricky Ledoux, Harry Lee West, and Catherine Fontenot.
Next we have Brock Ballara, who is portraying Aloysius Inhern Sr. And Charles and
You can
Donna.
sit down.
The year. First is Father Reverend Jeffrey DeBlanc. We present them with a golden spike.
Very appropriate.
Next on this is Reverend Dale Pearson Lang. She's here. So, Mayor Donald Cravens, Senior. Mr. Donald Chapman, the vocalist. Larry Bourchier, the bagpipe player. Kathleen Swallow. All the work she gives, help she gives to Flo all during the year. And Ashton and Margaret Briley. And James Doge.
Alice Kearns Bernard. We need to give her a spike. If she can get that on that track.